Former Cricket West Indies director and former president of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Wilford Billy Heaven, is calling for the removal of Daren Sammy as West Indies head coach. Heaven, who was speaking on Tuesday night's edition of the Mason and Guest show in Barbados, said he was shocked when Sammy got the job as he is unqualified. Sammy, who took over as West Indies all-format coach in April of last year, guided the team to the Super 8 stage of the just concluded ICC Men's T20 World Cup in India and Sri Lanka.
When the tournament reaches most competitive phase, the team was unable to sustain the required challenge of the leading side. So it is difficult for me.
Should Daren Sammy remain as coach?
Nope. I think Daren Sammy should reconsider his position as coach. CWI, including the president, framing the outcome as an overachievement. When you do that, what we are essentially doing is lowering the standards.
Heaven has also repeated his call for the resignation of CWI President Dr. Kishore Shallow, noting that there is a clear conflict of interest in being a Minister of Government in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and the CWI President simultaneously. Heaven complimented Gregory Nichols, who recently resigned as first Vice President of the Barbados Cricket Association after becoming a government minister.